Story of Edward VIII. 1918, London. King George V was the monarch of England, but I'm not so sure if he was too happy since titles like king and monarch were controversial at the time. World War One was bad for monarchies. Example, ang nangyari sa pamilya ng pinsan niyang si Tsar Nicholas II ng Russia. I made an episode about that. It's somewhere on my profile. With that in mind, George did two very important things. He changed the name of the royal family from the very German Saxe-Coburg-Gotha to the very British Windsor. To strengthen the role of the monarchy, he sent out his son, the Prince of Wales, on a tour of the empire. It's safe to say it worked since the British monarchy is still around today. But the person sent on the assignment didn't enjoy it very much. Ito si Edward, the Prince of Wales at tagapagmana ng corona. He was sporty, handsome, and charming. He was the most desirable man in Britain at the time. And